Yo bro. Welcome to Finevex where tech gets lit. If it's smart, fast, and future, we legit. Now don't blink, don't move, don't scroll away. Cause this phone about to steal the show today. Ayo wait, hold up, what's that tone? That ain't your phone, that's a dinosaur bone. Upgrade time, yeah level it up. Meet the beast, Google Pixel 10 what's up? Tensor G5, yeah brain on max. Speed so fast, no lag, just facts. 12 GB RAM, multitask king. Apps go burr like cha-ching cha-ching. 1.4 million score, yeah solid play. Not just power, it's smart AI. Google Magic, built-in tricks. This phone's smarter than your Netflix picks. Display and design, 6.30 OLED, colors too clean. 120Hz smooth, butter on screen. 3000 nits, shining bright. Even in Texas sun, still looks right. Slim body, premium feel. Glass so tough, yeah that's real. Drop it once, heart attack. But it survives, now that's a flex. Camera king, 48 megapixel, detail insane. Ultra wide shots, capture the frame. Telephoto zoom, FBI mode. Zoom your neighbor like, bro what's that code? 5x optical, 20x reach. Moon so clear, looks in your reach. 4K video, front plus back. Content creators, this your pack. Selfie cam wide, squad fits in. No one cut out, everybody win. Battery in tech, 4970 mAh, all day vibe. From NYC mornings to late night drive. 30 watt fast, back alive. Dead at noon, nah it survived. Wireless charge, just drop, relax. Reverse charge, share some snacks. 5G speed, no delay. Download movies on the freeway. Software flex. Android 16, clean UI. No junk apps, just smooth fly. 7 years updates, that's elite. Future-proof tech, can't be beat. 256 gigabytes, storage stacked. No SD slot, but cloud got your back. Price drop, USA. Now listen close, don't act slow eyes. This beast costs about $830. Not too cheap, not crazy high. For Pixel fans, it's worth the buy. Be honest now, no lie zone. You upgrading, or still using a cracked iPhone? If this fire, smash that like. Subscribe to Finevex, join the hype. Comment, Pixel, if you feel this vibe. This is Finevex, tech that hits different. Fast, clean, and always consistent. Pixel 10, yeah it's elite. Run it back, can your phone compete?